This is Eric Mother with Mother.com. Let's take a look at a stock here that is down. And just for perspective, here's the date, August 28th, 2019. All right, we can see here coming off the highs. So far, we are seeing more than a 40% drop from the highs here to here. Now, most of this drop, as you can see, has taken place in August. So the monthly charts seem to be the ones that have been taking control. And I'll show you that in a second. This is the daily chart, of course. Take a look at the 2-year weekly chart and we can see this type of big up move only to drop. So the question becomes, was there any warning sign around here? And like I said, it looks like the pressures are coming from the monthly chart, and we can see, yes, there is a line we can draw on the monthly chart, which is this prior support line. I'll draw it like that. This line so happens to be around the RSI 61.8. Now notice a couple of things. When we are trading above it, the market did react very favorably with this swing trade to the upside. And then we broke below that line, and the rest I'm sure you can see already. We break below this line here, which is off the highs there, and this has turned into resistance after we hit that level and turned around in the month of August. So what I'm saying here is, do watch those monthly charts, because more often than not, the big moves are signaled in the big picture time frame, and the big picture time frame I'm using here is the monthly chart. We can see uniform activity rejection, and that would have been good enough to save you almost a 30% drop so far for the month, just by understanding where the stock was showing resistance on the monthly RSI. Eric Mother, Mother.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESCS. And so it is. I shall be back.